If you are wondering if we have AI camera on Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is yes, we do have AI features available in the camera, and many of them can actually be simply deactivated if you don't like them. So for example, if we go to camera settings, then you should be able to find AI recommendations, where we have, for example, the automatic night mode, scene recommendations, extended depth of field, super moon, and ultra zoom options. There is also the QR code scanner and notifications about orientation, but I just don't think they are actually AI tools. For the rest of them that I mentioned, we can just simply turn them off or turn them on by tapping on the switchers. You can also have a hint on how to actually use them. So for example, in the case of supermoon, it automatically turns on when we use zoom beyond 20x. So this is how we can use it. The ultra zoom can be activated by just using lots of zoom, and then you will notice that we have an AI button on the left side. So for example, here in photo mode, there we go, here we have the ultra zoom that we can easily enable, disable, or set it to automatic. So there we go. This is how we can find some of the AI tools. You might also find some other stuff available here in the camera settings, which maybe they can be considered as AI, even though they are not really labeled as such. So I guess it's up to personal opinion at this point. I just don't really believe what is AI and what is not when it's coming from Xiaomi, because like I said, the QR code scanner, for example, I don't really think it's an AI tool. Yeah, even though Xiaomi claims it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.